This video I show you free apps to earn $600 per day doing nothing in order for you to make money online. What are those? We are about to find out. This is free app to earn $600 per day doing nothing. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with the notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it. That's of course make the most money, enjoy it. This is not just one, not two, but 5 apps that are going to pay you $600 over and over again, and you literally need to do nothing. The best part is you can cash out your money in many different payment methods, and of course you can do this basically from anywhere in the world. And you only one thing, which is your mobile phone. You can do this on your Android phone or your iOS device. So all you go to do is just follow my easy step. Download the apps and sign up for a free account, and you are ready to go and start making money. I want you to think about this. You wake up early in the morning, you check your mobile phone, and guess what? You receive your payment straight into your account. You can start making money just like this while you are getting at your couch, while you are sleeping and literally doing nothing. You can still make money over and over again. But before we start, comment down below I am from, aka your country name. In that way I will know exactly where you are from. So in the future I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country name in the comment down below. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you to make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. So let's get back to the video. The first app that I want to show you is called tv2.com. So the concept of the app is really simple. You just click and play and watch the video and start making money. You can do this on your telephone or your mobile phone, whether it's iOS or Android. Now, as I promised, here is the bonus tip. In order to maximize making money with this app, you have to click and play the videos and let them play in the background using multiple devices. Now you can do this while doing stuff you like, while you are studying or while you are sleeping. So all you have to do is download the TV app to own your mobile phone. You can go to Google Play Store and search for this app right here. As you can see, over 300,000 people have tried this one. The best thing about this app is that it has almost 5-star rating. You see, on the Google Play Store, judging by the fact that they have got over 300,000 downloads, which is just amazing. Now once you download the app, make sure you go and click the app in your mobile phone, or link it to your television so you can play the videos and start earning real cash. And there are literally unlimited videos and channels that you can choose from and start making money once again. That is called tv2.com. The second app where you can earn money doing nothing is called appkarma.io. As you can see here, you can earn reward by playing with app, and it is absolutely free. That rationale why you can make money without doing nothing is that when you download and install this app, you can instantly get 300 points, meaning you can get $3 doing nothing. You can download this on your Android phone or your iOS device. Right now, as I promised, here is your bonus tip to log in your account every single day. So just open this app and calm your daily rewards. And this is how you can earn money every single day doing nothing. Open this app, you can get different achievement badges, which is multiplying your earning. So you can earn double or even triple your money right now. And one thing about app karma is that you can actually refer your friend by sharing your invite link and earn 30% of whatever your friend earn. So say for example, when you refer people and they earn $100, you can also earn $30 for free without doing nothing. So all you have to do is download app karma on your mobile phone first. If you are using Android phone, you can go Google Play Store and search for app karma. The logo looks like this. This is just a very simple app to use, yet you have multiple ways to make money, including playing games, and you can also earn by scratching cards. And don't forget log in every single day to calm your daily reward. Once again, this app is called App Karma. The third app that I want to show you is called cashforminutes.com, which is app. With this app, you can make money by simply listening to internet radio podcast, and you can receive your money every single week because they are now offering weekly payout in many different payment options. As you can see here, speedy payments, refer a friend, you can choose from weekly or monthly payment through bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazing voucher, Amazon voucher. Real quick, I want to show you. Comment down below and let me know your preferred payment method. This app is available worldwide, and they have global access. So all you need is just a mobile phone and an internet connection. Basically, this is how it works. First, you need to sign up for a free account on Cash for Minutes. So you just simply set up your profile and link your phone number to this app, and you can then start listening to different radio podcasts and start earning money. Another bonus way to make money with this app is by referring friends. As you can see here, you can invite your friend and you will earn 1% of everything that they introduce make. Now you can leave your referral link in the video description below. In that way, you can use each other links. So all of you can make money all together. Once again, this app is called Cash for Minutes. But if you guys are enjoying this video in which I have took a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe and notification on. And if you get 2000 likes on this video, I will drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make money more online. This app is called SlideJoy. The rationale why this app pays you money for literally doing nothing is because they will showing on your mobile phone, and through those advertisements, SlideJoy is making money. This app got featured in many major companies. So as you can see here, once you download this app on your mobile phone, SlideJoy will give you cash like reward just for using their lock screen. They will be showing you the latest trending news and interesting personalized ads on the first screen on your phone. There is no need for you to do anything more, just go about your normal day. Swipe, unlock, use, and finally redeem your awesome cash reward or gift cards. So all you have to do is download the SlideJoy app on your mobile phone. You can go on the Google Play Store and search for the app and search for this app right here. The logo look like this. Make sure you download the right app. The review on this one are really good. It is rated almost 4 star out of 5, which is an amazing rating judging by the fact they have got over 100,000 downloads. Once again, this app is called SlideJoy. Finally, we are going to fifth app where you can make money by literally doing nothing. And this is over at Money SMS app. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customer. Unfortunately, this app only works on Android phone. This doesn't work on iOS device, so real quick I want to show you. Comment down below and let me know if you are an Android or iOS user. Once you download this app, you are gonna start receiving text messages. You can just ignore and delete them. You can earn money passively without doing anything at all with this app. And once again, this app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. Money SMS app is secure. This app doesn't read any of your private messages or uses any other data. You can push out in different payment method as well. The best part is you can withdraw your money within just 48 hours, which is incredibly fast. And right here on this app, they do actually have a referral program. They do actually have a referral program where you can refer this app to your friends and earn 30% from their total earning. And now, if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the description below to discover how to earn $100 every single minute for absolutely free, which is a new strategy to make money online this year 2021, which payment proofs shown which everyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible. And I will show you exactly how to do it in that video right here. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on, and so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I will see you in some of the next video. Thank you.